Gaping chicken. All right. So I actually have an archway to go over the driveway, but it's some kind of inflatable blow-up thing, and the weather here is not really conducive to that. We're having lots of rain and like 50-mile-an-hour winds, so I'm going to try something else this year, and here we go. I think we're going to need some more because I lifted Suburban in my box truck, and a customer has a box truck. They're pretty tall, so we need more.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a